runners, please. Here's my sailing knife. A very good morning to you. I'm hanging out of the hotel room. I'm going to show you what's behind you right now. Today is the day that we go and see this little boat. You guys have been following this crazy adventure of us looking at all the different boats around the world, sailing catamarans, big boats, small boats, nice ones, bad ones, and then tried to buy a few of them. And then we made an offer on a few of them. And then we even paid deposits on a few of them. And nothing ever worked out. Now, I know in life that stuff happens for a reason, and if it goes smooth, it's meant to be. If it doesn't go smooth, stop, move away. For some reason, we ended back up in Dominican Republic, and we were boat searching, hunting for these boats, right? Hunting! We found the smallest, little, cutest boat. And first I thought, yeah, right, I'll never buy this boat. And the more I thought about it, the more it kind of dawned on me that maybe this is what we need to do right now. We're looking at a 35-foot Beneteau. Dun dun dun.
Don't say it like that. Like
I mean,
35 foot Beneteau. Dude.
So it's her first sailboat ever, and she's never lived on a boat, and so maybe it's not
sailed.
Yeah. So maybe it's not a bad idea. For those of you on the Daily Show, you know all the shenanigans behind the scenes. How did you like last night's shenanigans?
Yes. Oh, no.
Anyways, if you haven't checked the Daily Show, it's our daily vlog that we do on Vimeo, and we share everything there. And we want to respect your time here on YouTube. We know you have limited time, so for those of you that wants to see more, go check out all that behind the scenes and longer episodes. You're awesome, and you can achieve anything and everything that you set your mind to, even if it is buying a 35-foot Beneteau in the Caribbean. We're gonna take it for a sail. We've got lots of wind. I can feel it. The wind's coming from our starboard aft quarter right now, so we have to obviously loosen the lines on port side first. Back line and aft is loose. He's doing the port side front on the bow. I'll slip the lines in a second and I'll get us out of here. And I'm gonna start. I want to park the boat as well so that I can feel how she handles. And yeah, let's go have some fun. Let's go sail.
It's a new day, recreation. I've come a long way from destination. I ride the thunder, I'm still storm chasing. Gonna test me.
So apparently it's the massive reef here. So we have to go around the markers. I just learned that the red one means that you have to have it on your port side. And when you're leaving, so you have to go around it. I didn't know that, but now I know.
So there are two buoy systems around the world. One called Ayala A, one called Ayala B. It's different from the Mediterranean than to the United States and the Caribbean. In the Caribbean, when you come back, it's red right returning. So it means the red will be on your starboard side. As in the Mediterranean, you always keep red to port and green to starboard. It's the other way around in America. Why the hell they do that, I don't know.
Green is on the right side.
Green is on the right side now because we're in the Caribbean leaving. When you come back, the red will be on your starboard side, so it's red right returning, RRR.
Okay.
In the Mediterranean, it's the other way around. So people have grounded their boats because of that. You know, they sail and they don't know the different systems, and then they're like, okay, I'm coming back. I have to get the red on my port side, but it's not. So something to be aware of. There's a massive reef just to our port side.
Repeatedly, give all that I had was taken from me so greedily. High levels of emotion like a dose of radiation. Casket, coffin, passion quickly turns into frustration. In the movie, salvation is cheap, but in real life it costs more than 3 times.
There's a lot of wind out there in the front. You can see it on the water. And we currently have full main and 140% jib for Genoa head sail. And I just want to do this port tack right now, just to feel how she's sailing, and then I'll put her into the wind and we'll start cranking some winches and trying to put the tow rails in the water. I don't want to break anything, but I want to closely break something. Righto, we are sailing on the south coast of the Dominican Republic right now. That's where we are. We've got Puerto Rico to our far east. We're doing 6 knots in about 15 knots of wind. For this little 35, I don't think it's bad. I think it's really nice sailing, but this is perfect weather. We have 15 to 60 knots of wind, no swell. I mean, this is as perfect as a test sail could go. Okay, we've got the Polish Princess lying out. I'm beating into the wind right now. We've got quite a bit of wind. She sails nicer than the Bavaria. Definitely, she handles better. She's more responsive. The autopilot's keeping up, but we only have about 15. We're beating into the wind at 6.5 knots. Guys, that's really not bad. Like, seriously, that I'm surprised. It doesn't have IIS. IIS is telling other boats where we are, sending a signal saying, do not kill them, please. Nice big sail. Nice big steering wheel. Yeah, the wind's coming from our port bow. From there, you can see the winds there. But it's not a swan, so we can't get closer to the wind. It's a benefit. Okay, now I'm pushing her quite a bit. Close to the water. There. But she's not doing bad. Autopilot does. You can keep it on 88, so we're doing 88 degrees. Let's see. Just bringing it back. It's the only thing that I don't like about these. They struggle to keep the boat good when you're beating into the wind.
Alright, let's see how we feel inside when we're sailing. We're moving a little bit, but it's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, we're not hitting over that much.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'll lean it over for you a bit.
Alright. Yeah. We're so close to the water. It's fine. No, all good so far. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try and take in the mainsail now myself. How easy is that? That electric winch is amazing. It was really easy. I can touch both sides. Right, it's very easy to leave port. It's really easy to sail. But it's a different thing to dock a boat. So we're gonna do the Mediterranean docking here, which is stern 2. It's the first time I dock with this boat, so I don't know what the prop wash is like. If you haven't seen my video on how to dock a boat and the 5 things that you need to remember, please go check it out.
Let's see how he's gonna manage.
So the wind is coming from right from our stern as I turn around, which is the best wind that you can get for stern 2 parking. But it's raining and there's quite a bit of wind. The slower you do it, the better.
Yeah, I remember that.
If you're going as slow as you think you should be going, you should probably be going slower. Doesn't turn quite fast. It takes a little bit. Just on neutral and backwards. Neutral, backwards. You can also steer like this. That's to the right, this is to the left. You see? If you don't want to do it the other way around.
Así mismo. Tú no vas a entrar mejor que Duval y tienes toda la vida con este barco.
He says I'm doing it much better than the owner of the boat, and he's been on the boat his whole life.
Tú ves el tronco.
So now we have to do a maneuver where we put the boat in between those 2 things, columns. So I'm going to have my motion backwards. I'm going to go wide, then I'm gonna come in.
El feto, tú mejor que Duval.
He says you're better than the owner.
Also lovely.
Tú mejor que Duval.
Backwards a little bit and then leave it. You have momentum, just always use momentum. Momentum's your friend. You don't want to use too much power. Okay, I'm gonna try not even touch these pilings. So he's close there, he can get it. I can see where I am, I'm straightening out. Giving it a little bit more power, a little bit more. I'm in neutral, I'm coming back. Rudder is straight. My rudder is straight, just coming back. Now you come back really slow. Maybe put it a little bit, so you correct yourself when you're in the back.
Careful here.
We're good.
Perfect, he says.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Perfect sail, very nice. I'm happy with the boat. It handles nice. Came back. I think I parked it almost 100%. Right after that sail, I think we need to open a Corona. Salud. Can't just take one sip of a beer. It's got to be like half the beer,
Really?
the first sip. Yes. Salud! Gracias. Salud, salud.
Gracias.
What did we do?
We just what? A tiny little boat.
Hey, she doesn't look that tiny. Wait, I want to come say it too. Hang on. We bought a boat! Do the honors, please. Here's my sailing knife given to us by one of our patrons, Stefan. Thank you very much. And take off that ugly sign saying for sale, because she is no longer for sale.
Let's get rid of it. She's ours now.
I can't believe it.
Yay!
Success recipe about a good behind a good coffee is having a good barista.
It's actually our first coffee.
That's true.
First coffee on the boat. Yeah. Because we left behind our Bialetti from Italy, which I'm still sad about.
Why did we leave it behind? Are you gonna tell them about that on
Because
YouTube?
I was running away
Away from that boat.
from one boat and I forgot to pack everything from the kitchen. So I packed only things from my V-Bird. Anyway, it's our first coffee on the boat on Shiraz, and as you know,
As I know.
I don't drink black coffee, so I also need to have a little bit of milk, warm milk.
Oh my goodness, people! Can you just please, the Polish princess?
So I found
let me introduce you to the Polish princess.
I found myself yesterday a small pot which
Hey,
Perfect.
hang on. I thought this was for whiskey and water and ice. What are you talking about?
Niaman.
Huh?
Niaman.
Is that not for whiskey?
No,
Dang it, I thought you were treating me.
no. So our coffee, it's gonna be here in a minute.
It's gonna be here in a minute. And then for breakfast, we have these things from the Dominican Republic. I already took a
yeah,
bite. So
tell me
it
about it.
is yuca. So it's yuca which they put in. Come on, focus. Just wants to focus on her. It's yuca that they add cheese and ham inside, which is really, really nice. We're gonna have that for breakfast.
Café negro para nosotros amigos.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us here on the channel. We are gonna show you how we turn around this little 35-foot Beneteau into something amazing. We really were looking for something else, as you know by now, and we just stumbled upon this one and we decided, hey, project, and maybe we can even sell it for as much money as we put into it, have fun, and have some of you come sail with us. Plus, we have a training vessel at this point in time, and for those of you that don't know, I do sail training, deckhand training, stewardess training, safety training, stuff like that on the boat as well. If you don't know that, go check out thepaperboatgroup.com. Right, and I just want to show you what it looks like here before. This is what it looks like before, and when she puts makeup on, I'll show you what it looks like after. Look at that ugly job. That thing is out of the boat. You have engine access. That's where you change your batteries over. There's an air conditioning unit here. So now we're using the on-off, which is a fiberglass cleaner. Alright, and that's after we've cleaned it, and that's the boat.